Hey guys, welcome back to Flower Paradise. Today we are going to react to episode 8 of Extraordinary You. Today is Bring Your Pet to Work Day. If you don't follow me on Instagram or if you are not my patron on Patreon, first of all, shame on you. But second of all, I have a bird. His name is Nico. Nico has been with me for a month now, if I'm not mistaken. He is really just a baby still. I think he's like 2 months old or 2 months and a half. He is really needy, as you can see. Like, he loves physical contact. Like a lot. So we are going to watch this together. Like I have his a little place for him to stay on if he wants to climb up there, and I just wanted to let you guys know that sometimes he might like coo a little bit. Is that how you say it? When a bird says like pew pew. I'm terrible at this. But anyways, yeah, if he cries or if you listen to him chirping or anything, I'm sorry. I apologize in advance just because he does not want to be alone today. It's like crazy, but he really does not want to be alone. And I don't want to, make him lonely or anything. Right? Yeah. So without any further ado, let's head right into episode 8 of Extraordinary You. The flower. Oh, right, because he was. Wait, where did that flower come from? Did it just fall from the black hole? Oh, it's gone. It just like that. It's gone.
Does he remember now?
Haru?
Wait, I don't think he remembers her still.
은단호,
Do you remember?
백경이 방금 갔는데.
Don't crush my dreams like this. Don't crush my fucking dreams like this, okay? It hurts. This is seriously so depressing. I thought we were past this in the last episode, but apparently they're gonna make us suffer for 2 entire episodes.
이거 뭔데? 여태까지 이용해 먹으라고 은단호 좋아했던 척한 거야? 백경 너 자식 완전 쓰레기네!
I mean, that's the author's fault, not Kyung's fault. You should know that, Dohwa. Come on. I hated Kyung for long enough already. I cannot keep doing it.
누가 자꾸 바꾸고 싶게 만드네.
I mean, he was never aware before, so he never thought about changing anything. But now that he knows that he likes Dano, I'm pretty sure he's gonna start having thoughts about changing the story to save her, because her life is on the line because of the heart disease thing. And I believe Kyung. I believe that he truly wants to help her.
놀라지도 않네. 내 자아가 생긴 건 이미 알았던 모양이고.
Yeah, that's one of the strange things about Imugi. He knows a lot of stuff, but he never tells us everything. He keeps us in the dark most of the time.
이게 하루도 그렇고 이 만화 속 세상 참
Wait,
재밌네.
why is Kyung mad at the Imugi? Why is he like, I don't know, I don't understand. He's acting weird. Does he hate the Imugi? And what's up with the Imugi's face and expressions? This is so fudging confusing. When I think I got a little bit of the story, they showed me that I didn't at all. That's all different from what I thought it would be.
하루야 이게 널 향한 내 마음이 이게 딱
Oh my god, just get away from him. Look at that. There are a bunch of girls around him. He is helping her because... Can somebody explain to me?
제발 제발 나한테 그러지 마.
I do understand how she feels. They keep showing me sides of Haru that resemble the old Haru, and then they crush my dreams really fast.
아 그럼 너가 잘 챙기든가.
Take better care of her? Oh no, even as an extra character, are these two gonna fight because of Dano?
청포도 같아.
No, guys, this is the problem. This is a fucking trouble, okay?
은단호 뭐야?
Haru is not everyone else's crush, okay? Stop crushing on him. He is Dano's. I'm gonna shoot all of these girls in the face.
야 쟤네 봐.
하루 쟤
Oh
은근 저런 거 다
no.
받아주더라.
What is happening, guys? I hate this situation.
어머머, 이진
What
저거 은근히
Haru
눈치
should
주는 거 봐.
study in an all
저런 거
boys
배워두자.
school.
단어야.
That's it. Let's transfer him, to an all boys school. That's it. That's what we have to do. It's gonna solve all our problems.
죄송합니다.
Imugi participating in a stage? That's new. What the
다들
fuck?
항상 수고가 참 많아요.
Imugi, talk to me, man. Talk to me, man.
수고해요.
I hate it when you do those type of expressions, but you never explain to me what the fuck is going on.
소개시켜줄 만한 사람 있을까? 어느 정도 수준이 맞는 친구로.
Oh, fuck you. No, seriously. I just want to punch this girl. I want to punch so many people in this episode. It's driving me crazy.
진짜 시들었네.
Oh no, poor girl. Why? I don't get it. Why do this to a person? Why be so mean? Girl, your shoes are fine. Don't worry.
基于球鞋，你们就是心里揪的人，누구냐？
You go, Namju. Protect your woman, okay? She needs our help.
동정하는 거라면 그만두라고.
Do that, girl.
나 혼자
He was
기대하고
helping
상처받기
you.
싫으니까.
Oh my god. These little misunderstandings are so cliche and they make me so mad every time they happen.
앞으로 나한테 여자는 여주다 하나다.
The announcement that he was supposed to have made in the party, he just did it now. So the author actually got her or his way anyways.
스테이지에서 움직일 수 있는 건 하루뿐이야. 넌 못해. 내 운명 바꾸는 거.
Wait, he can't? But we don't... Oh, wait. Right. But why is he the only one who can move on the stage? That's another question. She's throwing away the mats? Isn't that dangerous, girl? Don't know, please. Don't make me suffer even more.
능수아?
Oh my god. It changed? It changed? Wait, it changed the names again? Did you see it was a different... Wait, we have seen two titles so far. Flower and Secret. And now a third title. Haru, baby, do you like her? Just a little bit? Like a little bit. Is this...
신경 쓰여.
Oh my god. Okay, she's on your mind. That is really romantic. Now please remember everything. Can you please do that for me? What? Oh, historical drama. Oh my fucking god, he's so fucking handsome. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm totally fine. Wow, this is just like what happened when Dano fell from the stairs, right? Do you remember this? He saved her. He did the same thing. I'm telling you, I think this story is repeating itself like over and over again because Haru is trying to change something. There's a lot of weird stuff happening all at once. Giving me a headache already. Yep. This is the third time. Haru, my man, if you do not get even one memory back, I'm gonna be really pissed right now, man. There are so many signs being thrown at you right now. Oh, it's the hospital. No.
나한테
I'm so sorry, baby.
얼마만큼의 시간이 남은 걸까?
I wish... What if you read... Oh no, but the writer needs to draw it so we can know what happens in the future. Like the pages are blank if I'm not mistaken.
나 결혼할래.
What the fuck? Oh no, she wants to get married to Kyung.
한다고. 아까 그 말은 절대 진심이 아니야.
And it happened on the stage, baby. I don't think you have any control over it.
비비디바비디부?
What? What?
그걸 아직도 기억해?
Is this something from the past that I don't know about? But that was really adorable.
그걸 기억해?
그 약 먹을 때 옆에서 주문해주던 게 난데.
Oh, that's so adorable.
다 기억나, 전부.
He remembers everything, guys.
너 없었으면 정말
Yeah, I mean,
힘들었을
she's
것
not
같아.
alone now because Kyung is here. I'm glad he became aware of everything.
싸가지 없던 네 과거도 잊어줄게. 늦겠다. 가자.
Yes, Kyung, don't be rude anymore, okay? Let's be gentle from now on. Wait, is that the flower? Oh no, it's the keychain that she got him as a gift before. Kyung is a whole new person and I love this new Kyung. Now I get why you guys are like, I am Team Kyung. I totally get you.
안 돼.
No? What?
너 내일 나랑 아침 연습 있어.
I don't think that has anything to do with tennis. I don't. Guys, I think he is unconsciously liking her. Like, he is protective of her because in the back of his mind, he kind of has feelings for her still. But the author never lets him remember. This is so weird. He's so fucking handsome and sexy wearing those clothes. Oh my god. And Dano is just even more adorable than ever. Look at that. With long hair and everything.
이건 무슨 꽃이요?
능소하라는 꽃인데
Trumpet Creeper. Oh, so that's the book that the emoji was carrying around before. It's the name of the flower. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so nerve-wracking.
은단호가 준 거. 은단호?
Kyung is not stupid. He knows that something's up, that he might be remembering stuff. I think Haru has been like drawing in his journal and stuff like that because every time he jumps from one story to another, he needs something to remind himself that Dano exists. Is this crazy? Is my theory too crazy?
내가 널 다시 A3에 끼워준 게 그렇게 헛소리 나올 만큼 감격스러운 내가 잠시 잊고 있었어.
Oh,
넌 진짜 내 소중한 친구가.
that's what I wanted. Come on, this is so cute. I'm so glad they're back together as friends.
하나 더?
저기 오래.
Oh, he did that on purpose. This is so fucked up. No, it hurts. He's using Haru as his errand boy. Oh no, baby.
I just said that he was changing for the better, and now I regret what I said.
자 있는 둘이서 자 없는 한 사람을 볼 때
자로 아니야.
This is a disaster, Kyung. Please, I thought you were changing. What's happening, my boy? Let's talk.
백경이 많이 좋은가 봐.
No, she doesn't. We like Haru.
또 잃고 싶지 않거든. 하루.
하루?
No, it's not. It's like another Haru, okay? It's you, but the older version of you. Writer, I hate you. I hate it's official. I hate you as much as I hate Namju's mom. That's it. You are officially on my hate list.
아니, 야, 오남주의 공식
Oh
여자
my
상황까지
god,
뭐가 더
what the
필요해?
fuck is he doing? Dude, that is a lot. Oh, that is so cute, guys. I used to hate this type of things before, but now I am loving their story. It makes my heart lighter in face of everything that's happening with Jano and Haru.
수리느 재단 후원에 주다 학생 할머니 병원비도 포함인 거 잊지 말아요.
Oh no. Oh, guys, this is so depressing. That fudging woman is so fudging mean. The black hole? No. The book suddenly showed up. And it's a historical type of thing. Yep. Now, Kyung knows as well.
Imugi, you are late.
어디까지 본 거야? 다 읽진 않았네.
Oh my god, Emogi, please, my man. We need to learn to communicate. We need to learn how to tell each other things, okay? 이무기, you are not helping any of us here.
아빠가 든든한 아들이 하나 생겼네.
당장 식장이라도 들어갈 기세다.
저는 당장 내일이라도 좋습니다.
No, you can't. No, don't say that, girl. Don't give the writer any ideas. Please. Wait, is the little brother becoming aware of himself as well? Is he even an extra? Is he even in the book? He is, because he was in the stage. Oh my god, there are so many characters becoming aware. This is becoming a huge mess. Imugi? What are you doing? Oh, he is burning the book. Why? Are you that scared of them finding out?
진작에 태웠어야 했는데.
Guys, you said that the Imugi is not a bad person in this story. What is happening? Because he's acting like a bad character. Right now he is. I'm scared. Is he a bad person? Or is he a good person that's acting strange because he's trying to protect everything? I'm scared. I don't trust Imugi very much. Oh my god. What is happening? What is this? Page flipping. Did he remember? And why does he keep listening to page flippings all the time?
앞으로 그려질 모든 장면의 은단호는 작가의 뜻.
Oh my god, every time I see the look on Kyung's face, it just makes me want to cry. I think he acts the way he does. Like he's mean to her and to people. It's because he is scared that she's gonna leave him forever, like all the other people that left him. Like he said in the hospital, he was having a panic attack and remembering like his mom on a hospital bed. So I think he's acting up like this because he's scared that he's gonna end up alone. Oh baby, be careful please. Let's think not in the middle of the road, okay? Let's think on the sidewalk or something. Just oh my god. She's in the middle of the street thinking no, that's not good. Dano, please, it's dangerous. Oh my fucking god, it's him.
난 이름도 없는 13번이었겠지.
Oh my god. He remembers. Guys, he remembers. Oh my god, it's fine. We're fine. We're fine. Okay?
이번엔 내가 네 이야기를 바꿔주러 왔어.
You will, I'm pretty sure, my man. Oh, this car is back.
은단.
Oh my god, he's back. He is back.
미안해. 내가 너무 늦게 왔지.
Yes, you were so fucking late. Man, you gave us a heart attack. Where were you?
나 봐. 나 여기 있어.
He's right here, guys. It's not an illusion. It's not a dream. Oh my god. I need somebody to hug right now.
이제 아무 데도 안 가.
Yes, don't go anywhere ever again, Haru. I'm gonna beat you to a pulp if you go missing again. Oh god. Thank God Haru is finally back. And his memories are also back. And this car is also back. Even though I don't know if this car thing is a good thing or not. But still, it just means that Haru, our old Haru, is back. Oh my god, now we have a bunch of other questions that need answers to, but I don't care. I'm not gonna think about those questions right now because I'm happy and I just want to keep being happy for now until the next episode, because I'm pretty sure that writer is gonna slap us in the face just because they like to do it to us. You know, they like to make us happy and then take our happiness away really fast. So let's just enjoy it while it lasts. Okay? Tell me in the comments below what did you think of this episode, and I guess I will see you in my next reaction video. Bye!